When you buy cryptocurrencies, what exactly are you buying? I think everyone knows the two biggest cryptocurrencies are Bitcoin and Ethereum, but have you ever personally bought anything with crypto? Do you know anyone that has? And most importantly, do you know when is the right time to buy crypto? Hello everyone, I'm Jerry Romine, and in this video, we're going to explore crypto FUD and FOMO so we can identify these traits in ourselves so we can become better investors, and then I'll show you how to use multiple time frames to easily understand when to buy and sell crypto. All right, now's the time to grab a huge cup of coffee and hang on, because this is not your normal stock and crypto channel. What is crypto? A cryptocurrency or crypto is a digital currency that can be used to buy goods and services, but uses an online ledger with strong cryptography to secure online transactions. Much of the interest in these unregulated currencies is to trade for profit, with speculators at times driving prices skyward. What is speculation? In the world of crypto, speculation refers to the act of conducting a financial transaction that has substantial risk of losing value, but also holds the expectation of a significant gain or other major value. Before we talk about FUD and FOMO, it's important that we clearly understand that 99% of us have never actually bought anything with crypto and that we are all speculators. This is an important distinction so we understand the driving force behind cryptocurrencies is speculation, which can not only swing prices in a dramatic fashion, but also leads to investors' fear of missing out. And here are 3 tips to avoid FOMO. Number 1, be careful with tips. Do your own research to determine whether the investment is worth it or not and if it fits within your financial goals. Number 2, create a trading plan. When are you going to buy or sell? What is your exit strategy? And number 3, overcome your behavioral biases. Investing on feelings or hunches is a great way to lose money. Know your reason for investing when you invest. What is FUD? FUD is an acronym for fear, uncertainty, and doubt, and is commonly used in the cryptocurrency community as a short way to describe negative information about a blockchain-based currency or asset. FUD can cause the price of a coin to drop, not based on the charts or anything fundamental, but based on bad news that spreads through social media. How do you avoid FUD and FOMO? Number 1, stick to the charts and indicators that you understand. Number 2, avoid trading on emotions. And number 3, have a trading plan for every coin. How can you build a trading plan for a speculative investment like crypto? Simple. The answer is technical analysis. Crypto technical analysis uses mathematical indicators based on previous price action data to try to predict future trends. The basic idea is that markets behave according to certain patterns, and that once established, trends heading in a certain direction often continue along the same course for some time. So what is MTF +1 -1 investing? MTF stands for multiple time frames, and we can use 3 time frames to enter and exit trades. Let's say that we want to trade based on the daily charts. The +1 time frame would be the weekly chart, and we want it trending up, which is the direction we want to trade. The -1 would be the 4-hour chart, and we use this for when to enter our trade. Let's jump into the charts, and I'll show you one way to use technical analysis to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. I've developed my own technical indicators for the TradingView platform, and if you want to use mine, the links are in the video description. But there are literally hundreds or thousands of indicators, and you just need to find the indicators that work best for you. We're now in TradingView, and let's go over our chart setup. On the far right, we've got our watch list, which has all of our different coins, and we can see that literally every coin I'm tracking is in the red, and some of them are down quite a bit. We've got Mana, which is down 5.84%. We've got Bitcoin down 2.19%. So we've got a big down day on the markets currently. If we come over and look at the chart setup, we're currently looking at Bitcoin. We're on the weekly chart, and we can see exactly how things are tracking. And then we've got my 2 different momentum indicators. We've got the momentum dream indicator, and what we're looking for is green for the momentum to be going up, because that's traditionally a good time to be in the stock. And then we've got the buy sell indicator, and green is also when we love to be in the stock. And when we use these indicators together, green on green is going to be our best time to be in the stock. And if you think of red on red, you're dead. That's a great time not to be in the stock or cryptocurrency. And what we're looking for, we love our buy signals whenever they happen near that 0 line. So right here on Bitcoin, we can see we had a buy signal, and now let's just track that and see how it went. It went right up to the moon. We hit a red on red section and it came down. We hit another green on green, and this is on the weekly chart, and then we are currently red on red. So this is not what we're looking for on the weekly chart. And what we're looking for on the multiple time frames is for the weekly, daily, and the 4-hour chart, which is when we're actually going to enter, to all be aligned the same way and in the same color. So right now our weekly is red, so that's the first sign that we don't want to be in Bitcoin right now. Next, let's take a look at the day chart. And on the day chart, we're green on the top, but we're currently a short-term neutral trend on the buy-sell indicator. So this is just strike 2 for us. And then just for fun, let's drop down to the 4-hour indicator. And here we can see we are in a squeeze and the momentum is currently going down. So this is 3 strikes and we're out. We're now looking at Ethereum on the weekly chart, and have we got green on green? We don't. We're currently red on our top momentum and we're neutral on our buy-sell indicator. So Ethereum would currently be a pass for me. Next up, we've got Sandbox coin. We're looking at the weekly chart, and this one is actually looking really good. Here we can see that we're green on green and we're in the buy zone on the weekly. Our short-term trend is bullish. Here we've got the buy zone. Everything is looking good. So now that the weekly chart checks out, let's see if the daily chart is green on green and we can enter. When we come down and we look at the daily chart, green on green, nope, we don't have it. We're red on red. Our short-term trend is bearish and we're in the warning zone. So this would tell me now is not the time to buy Sandbox, but this is one that I am watching because this could change over, and if it goes on green while our weekly is still green, then I will look to get into this one. The last coin we're going to look at today is Matic, and on the charts here we can see they haven't been around very long. That's why we don't have a full set of data with the momentum dream indicator. We can see that they are currently in a squeeze. That's these red dots right down here at the bottom, and our current momentum is to the downside. So we really want the momentum to be going up. Let's just assume that it was going up, and then we would look at the buy sell indicator, and on our buy sell indicator we do have a short-term bullish trend and we're in the buy zone. So if this was green on green, then we would jump to the next stage for the daily chart, and let's see what that shows us. The daily chart is telling us, hey, let's hold off, we're red on red. And that's how easy it is to use these momentum indicators with the different cryptocurrencies. And right now, all of the different cryptos, I mean, there's a lot of hype out there on them, but when I look at the technicals on them, they're not that strong. Our 2 strongest ones right now are Sandbox and Matic. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like my teaching style, please click on the like button, and if you've not already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you want free crypto or to earn up to 8.6% interest on your money, check out my promo links in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.